Right, so we've seen that sudo allows us to run as administrator, but how do we run it all the time? So what we do is we type in sudo su. Su is short for switch user. So because by default, the user we've set up when we created our Ubuntu server automatically has sudo access, when we type this, it will automatically try and switch us into root, which is the user we'll be running as the root user. If we hit enter, it will ask us for a password. That's the password we set up. In my case, it's ABC123. And there you go. I'm now running as root. Now you need to be really, really careful when you do this. Anything you do in here, you've got the potential to break stuff. So be a little bit cautious when copying and pasting things online and you're doing it as root. In cases like this with a VM, it's great. If we break something, we'll just reset it up. But always be a little bit cautious when doing this in production. So how do we get out of it? We type in exit. Now we've got some output on our screen. Next, let's get rid of it.